Welcome everyone. So have you heard about making a project means automatic LED which can be turned on automatically using a LDR module, light dependent resistor module, and a battery, a breadboard, and few jumper wires, but without a microcontroller Arduino or ESP32. So, is it possible? Well, yeah, it is possible. We can control a single LED using without Arduino or other microcontroller in a way that when we look clearly to the means the modules, which is this one, you can find that this module have three pins: DO, ground, and VCC. And you know very well that VCC is the voltage common collector used for positive power supply, ground is for the negative one, and DO is for the output. And this point you can see the blue color box is the potentiometer to increase or decrease the sensitivity of this module. So what we are going to do is, if we talk about the working of this module, like when it senses the light or it will not senses the light, it will provide a voltage difference at the D out pin. So we are using that voltage variable voltage at the D out pin as our on off triggering thing. Okay, so and this same principle works for the IR module also. The both can be used without using microcontroller also. Today we will learn how to do this with this module. Then in later videos we will understand how to do this with other modules. So let's first connect this one. So I have connected to the breadboard the LDR sensor. Next, what I will do, I will connect the LED's positive pin. See, LED have two pins. The long one is the positive, the short one is the negative. So I will connect the positive pin to the D out and the negative pin to the ground of the what module. Now let's connect it. See, I have connected it in this way without using any resistance or an all. Okay, so my next work is to provide a power to it. So what I will do, I will connect the positive to the VCC of the board and negative to the what ground of the board. So in this way, I can make this the connections are done and the LDR is also on. Now when I cover this LDR, nothing is happening. Means we have to change the value of the potentiometer. Let's have a change. So for this, take a starlight screwdriver and change the sensitivity of the sensor. Let me change the sensitivity. Now you can see when I cover the sensor with my hand, the LED turns on. When I remove my hand, the LED turns off. Now the everything is completed here. Let's have a quick look how it works. When I cover the LED, it's turned on the LED. When I remove my hand from the LDR, it's turn it off. When I cover the LDR, turn it on. When I remove hand from the LDR, it turn it on. So in this way, we can make a automatic LED light by adding a LDR module without using any microcontroller or a sensor, just like hardware. Have a great day.